아물고 온다는 여자는 보지 마 솔직히 나도 어디서든
Hello guys, so good morning, this is Ali. So today's vlog gonna be a daily vlog. I'm not switch on the light because my brother is sleeping, that's why. This is morning time and 6:49 a.m. is going on, so I will meet you in breakfast, okay? Hello guys, so I just forgot the skincare, so I just doing my skincare right now. I will meet you after 15 minutes. I found some time, so I will show you which product I'm using to my skincare. First is I already used this. This is my all-time face wash. I never use anything on this. So what I will show you and I'm making my face. I will wait you 5 minutes. Bye bye. I am in my kitchen where I'm just making. First of all, I just drink hot warm water. Then I start my breakfast. So let's go. I'm just making food. So guys, my breakfast is ready. So in my breakfast, I take 2 scoops butter and 1 cup of milk. I will meet you after my breakfast, or okay, after breakfast we will talk something, anything, okay? Hello guys, I'm back. So I just want to tell that I tell you in my video that I have done my breakfast, but I don't share you with my lunch, what I eat in my lunch and my skincare, because that time so busy guys, like so busy, for so much of work are there, my assessment paper, then I have to go through my YouTube channel what is going on, and so many works of household work, like managing my around surroundings, cleaning my surroundings, like that. So I'm so busy that I'm not sharing anything. Okay, as simple as you can eat in your lunch. Like I eat in my lunch is cucumber salad and curd and tortilla. Yeah, tortilla, cucumber salad and pickle. Yeah, only this. Just so light for me. Tortilla is so yummy. You know, the big plate of dough like that. Have you eaten it before? Comment down if you eat this tortilla, okay? Yeah, this only I eat my lunch. My day is too boring today because 1st April my school will be started and I become a high school student. Guys, from 1 April 2021 I become a high school student. I will come in high school. I'm so excited for high school and it's so fun with my friends. And during this time, like before April, there was pre-preparing for high school. I'm not going because I have pain in my back so much, so that's why I'm not going. So I will be going high school. Started going high school from 1 of April, or because all my friends are coming 1 April. Because guys, from 2021 1st April my regular classes will be started of high school, so I have to join regularly. After 1 year of lockdown, I'm going school. I'm so happy. I'm waiting of 1 April, but I have one more responsibilities. My sister also joining because I study in co-ed school. All the classes are in my school, so my sisters also joining my school. I want to check them that if she is going home properly, then no problem. What should I do? I have so much of stress. So many people are just thinking that why I'm lying down like that, because I don't want to sit, I want to lie down. Simple. And guys, so many people writing on comment, if you love yourself, so why are you doing makeup? Because this is my makeup. I have my own body. how I use my body is my problem, not yours. And I'm wearing a cute peachy lipstick from MAC, and the color is fuck off. Okay, don't interfere in my life with my everything. Okay, my color, my clothes, and my lipstick, no matter what. Okay, please haters, just stay away from me, and please please comment clean comments on my comment option. Okay, so please don't be like rude. If you're rude, I am going also be rude for you. Okay, my skin, my color, my makeup, what should I do on my body? It's my choice, not yours. Okay, back off. If you want to talk to my back, so you can, I don't have any problem, but don't write bullshit in my comment section, please. Bye bye. Okay, this not bye bye, bye bye to you, my haters. Back off. I am so bored right now, what should I do? So I eat, my breakfast was 1 piece of brown bread and 1 cup of milk. Lunch is tortilla, cucumber, salad, and what is this, pickle. I haven't done my snack. I eat my snack like around 6 o'clock in the evening. I eat my snacks. Yeah, I don't know what to eat. Let's talk to my mom. Okay, let's go. Mummy, I want to eat something.
What do you want to eat?
Rice.
Rice. Okay,
So can I make it by myself?
of course.
Thank you. I'm going by. So guys, I am making this rice. You can call it. We want this for make it, and this was a filter. You just put it. Okay. So I will meet you after 1 minute after doing this. So guys, for making this, I want this rice and this for the steam. I just put some rice in it. Okay, maximum, this is correct amount, I don't know. So, and this fry pan for fry the rice. So I will meet you 1 minute when I am cooking. Okay, okay. So I'm going to put some olive oil. Are you guys seeing? I have put the olive oil. Then I just in the jar. Some this like can. Little bit of, where's the camera? Little bit of red chili, and for color turmeric. Okay, this is not so much. Oh, my rice is yellow rice is ready almost. So I will meet you while I am eating. So guys, almost is ready. So this is my bowl full of rice. This is good and diet. You can also use this for a diet. And let me test it. This is so easy to cook, guys. So easy. Okay, let me taste it. Amazing. You can try this. Bye. I will meet you after eating. Okay. मम्मी कैसी बनी है, खा के देखो. इंग्लिश में बोलो. Delicious. Okay. So guys, I just said to my mom, just taste it. My mom said delicious. So I hope I also love it. Alright. 1, 2, 3, go. I am better in cooking. I will meet you after eating this, okay? So guys, it's yummy. So today I will share the recipe of this clear recipe. So take a fry pan, take your rest of the rice, and on the like gas or open the flame in low. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. If you want 1 tablespoon, you can. 2 is maximum 2. Then you will take sesame seeds. Then you will take turmeric for color, and spicy. So the spicy chili flakes, little bit, not too much, less, this much, half, like 1 teaspoon, like this much only. You can add this much, this on the tip of the spoon, this much of chili. Then add some salt. Obviously without salt nobody will eat, okay? If you want to add vegetable, you can add vegetable and cook it like just doing it like that. If they cook, taste it. If it's good, namak. If salt is maximum to you, good. If salt is less, so please add the salt. And then add some toppings like coriander leaves, anything, flakes for flavor, and serve it. Enjoy it. I hope you like this recipe, okay? Believe me, if you are alone at home and you don't know cooking, you can make this by rest of the rice. Like tomorrow my mom make rice for me. So rice are remain in the freezer, so I just kept out of the rice and started making. First of all, take a permission of your mom if they allow you to use like a flame gas. If they allow you to go nearby a gas, you can, but don't go nearby a fire if you are alone, okay? Order food from outside, but don't go near to fire when you are alone, okay? Be safe. Video, guys, hope you like it. I don't want to make this video long till dinner, so I'm just making this video for snack only. Next time I will meet you a new video, and please subscribe my channel, like my video for more exclusive videos, and bye bye.